What is it?
Daddy.
Is that Daddy?
No.
Oh, okay. What is hair? You drew hair?
No.
What did you draw? Okay.
Daddy. Oh, Dad. Oh no! Oh no! Dinosaur!
A dinosaur. It does look like a dinosaur. Good job. Erase it.
Yes. Oh, cow.
You're gonna draw a cow?
Oh, cow!
Whoa! You drew a cow! Awesome!
A cow house.
A cow house? That's really awesome. Does it have spots? A cow house.
Oh, sheep.
You drew a sheep?
It says I'm in a house.
It goes in the house, like a barn.
Oh, fish.
It's a fish now?
And on the water.
It's in the water.
Oh no, fish. Oh, big fish is hiding.
The fish is hiding. It's called erased.
Oh. Oh.
What is that? What is it? A seashell? Erase it.
Yeah, way down.
Okay.
Oh no, snake. Oh, it's on the cow.
I'm scared of the snake.
Yes. Oh! Good game.
A chicken? What's chicken say?
Baba, in the house.
Oh, it's in the house? In a chicken house? Is it a chicken nugget? It's a chicken nugget.
A chicken! Hiding!
It's hiding. Bailey kissed Mommy. You're right. Hi, Bailey. Hi, Bailey. A what? What's that mean? A dog. The dog's hiding now. I think Bailey needs to go outside. I'm go let him outside.
Oh, Timu.
A what?
A water.
Water.
Apple.
Oh, awesome.
No, swimming in the water.
We're swimming in the water.
Apple.
Abu's swimming in the water. Okay. I'm going to go let Bailey outside, okay?
Oh.
What?
Okay.
Who's that? Who's that?
Nana.
Nana? Oh, okay. Very pretty. It's a very pretty picture.
Snake.
A snake! I'm scared.
A snake and a cute.
Yeah, a snake makes me scared.